Hey guys, just wanted to show you a cool feature over here. We are in Audi A4 B9 with a MIB2 based infotainment system. This is HMS2, and over here you have these 8 presets, those 8 preset buttons. When you press one of those, you will go to your saved preset. Maybe let's turn the volume a little bit down, and if you browse them you can just switch between different stations. But if you just place your finger over it, not press it, just place the finger, you will have this preview, so you don't need to select a preset to check what's saved underneath. So you can just swipe your finger left or right and you can see which radio stations are saved over here. But that's not all. You can, for example, go into map or navigation, highlight one of the destinations like this Shell petrol station, and right now if you place your finger over here for a couple of seconds, you have this information to press and hold to store. So let's do it. And right now under the preset number 2, we don't have a radio station, but we have a GPS destination. So we can go to 8, we are in radio, 7, we are in radio, 6, we are in radio. Let's go to menu maybe. 5, we are in radio, and when I press 2, I have this destination. And as soon as I press number 2, it will guide me to this destination. So you can have your workplace or your home address or any other convenient location from your navigation system stored to one of those presets, just for a quicker operation inside your vehicle. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.